Hey guys, this is Jeevan. I'm currently doing my software engineering at the Dayananda School of Engineering, Bangalore. And today, before getting into this video, I would like to tell you something about music. Music is the art of arranging sounds in time through the elements of melody, harmony, rhythm, and timbre. It is one of the universal cultural aspects of all human societies. General definitions of music include common elements such as pitch, rhythm, dynamics, and the sonic qualities of timbre and texture. So, have you ever wondered why is music such an important thing in our life? Well, music can raise someone's mood, get them excited, or make them calm and relaxed. Music also allows us to feel nearly or possibly all emotions that we experience in our life. The possibilities are endless. It is an important part of their lives and fills a need or an urge to create music. So, when I was telling you guys about the importance of music in our life, I mainly used two words, mood and emotions. I would add an extra word, expressions. So, using these moods, emotions, and expressions, we have designed a software which suggests or recommends you the musics or songs based on your mood or facial expression. So, before getting into this software, I would like to introduce you all to my teammates, Aditya Sagar, Jeramiah, Nityasri Sharmili and kusumitha. All these guys have worked hard and they've put all their efforts to get the software up and running. And I would even like to thank Mr. Anbunatham sir for mentoring this project all along the way and so helping us out in all the difficulties faced. So yeah, let's get into the video right now. So the software we have named it as Monosonic because it's very a basic software, but it's very helpful for us. So these is the software components. I'll share the GitHub link in the description so you guys can download it. And now my teammate Aditya Saga will show you all or explain you all the code and the components of the software and the programs. And yep, I'll catch you guys at the end. So Aditya, you can carry on from now.
Thank you, Jeevan, for giving a brief introduction of our team and our project. Hello, everyone. Myself, Aditya Sagar from Dayananda Sagar School of Engineering, Bangalore, and I'm here today to show you people how to download our software and explain you its programming in depth as well. So, firstly, open the link that is given in the description. It takes you to GitHub, which looks exactly like this. So, download the file. It might take few minutes. So, I already downloaded it. So, let's open this. So, as you can see, there is I'll go file by file. So firstly, song list. Here you can see four Excel files named by after the emotion: angry, happy, neutral, and sad. So firstly, let's open angry. So you can see here there's a list of songs and its artist name and album name as well. So in the same way, there is three other files which are the same thing: song name, artist, and album name. So coming back, there's a file named folder songs. So here we have stored the songs. So coming back, let's come to main function. So before coming to main function, you can see a file called setup, which is used to install external files. Monosonic, this is the software we have to run later. So let's come to coding. So here you can see Here you can see the main function. We have imported the CV2 for opening webcam. You can see deep face, which is import deep face, which is used to scan emotion. Piva game to use play music. OS to use clear screen function. Keyboard to use keypad. Uh, Pandas PD to import Excel files. So let's get to coding. So this function block over here. So this function block over here. Yeah, this function block over here. This is used to open the camera and scan your face. So let's go line by line. So red comma frame. So here you are initializing the camera and the image. So now you are flipping the image, so it will be a mirror image. So if it doesn't work, so it's a extremity if it doesn't work. So next CV2, it's to show what is the output. So next CV2 is equal to weight key. Weight key is used to make the camera webcam weight. So we have used a function if modulus 256 is equal to 27. This makes sure if you press escape, it escapes. If else k modulus 256 is equal to 32, it makes sure if you press space, it captures the image and stores it as OpenCV underscore frame underscore 0 dot jpg. And after storing, we are storing the result of the image using deep face analysis. So here we are scanning the emotion of this image, and action is emotion. So after we get the result, we are replacing result with its dominant emotion. So if the emotion is either of them, like happy, neutral, angry, or sad, the while statement breaks. And after breaking, we are releasing the camera and destroying all CV related windows. And later we are clearing the screen again. So here we are using pd.read function, which reads the function, which reads the Excel file actually. So song list is the file folder name. So result is the emotion, and .csv is the Excel file we have saved. So emotion, this first layer, this is the name of the songs, and this takes the list of artists, and this takes album list of the albums. So this takes the input of how many songs are present in the file. So this is the player function. So firstly, the player py game dot mixer dot music dot load. This function is used to load the music. So this all just print statement. This prints the song name, artist name, and the album name. So it just prints up. So here pygame.mixer.music.play. This is used to play the music. So we are using another true while function. So here we are taking input from user using a keyboard function. So if keyboard is pressed P, we are giving instruction pygame.mixer.music.pause. This pause the music, and we are clearing the screen again. Same output. We are just replacing the output again. And if it's pressed R, it unpauses the song. So we are using same keyboard. If it's press R, pygame mixer.music.unpause. CLS music same again. So coming back, so here we are replacing, if it's pressed D, we are using stop function to stop the song, and if S is less than count minus 1, S plus 1. This replaces S from, as we have initialized earlier over here, S is equal to 0. So as we press D, song moves to plus 1. So that makes the song to move to next step. Or if else, it makes 0, which comes back to 0. So if the song is pressed A, then song stops again, and this time instead of S goes one step back, so S minus 1. And if the count reaches to 0, it starts with count again. So it starts from the initial point. So next, if keyboard is pressed X, the song stops and the whole loop breaks. So later is just printing statement. So this is how the programming works right now. So my friend Jeevan will explain, give you a demo of how the program works.
Yeah, so thank you, Aditya Saga, for that wonderful and detailed explanation about our code and the software and how it works. So now I'll show you guys the demo of how the software runs and what you guys need to do for running it. Run the setup file, which in turns installs all the library functions which requires. And when it's already installed, so it shows requirement already satisfied and it closes automatically. And then you guys need to run the Monosonic file, which in turns run the Python main function. And as you can see, a player to play all your songs for mode. And so yeah, hey, that's me. And so yeah, as you can see, it opens a separate window for the camera. And whenever you're ready with your expression, just click on the window and press space so that it captures the photo of yours. So yeah. Yep. So as you can see, it detected that I'm happy. So these are the few songs I've added. So there are I've created a playlist as Aditya would have explained to you guys. So this is one of the songs from the playlist. So I've added a dedicated buttons for pause, play, and the next track, previous track, and for exiting the software. So R is for resume, P is for pausing the song, and D is to play the next track, and D is to play the next track. As you can see, it was playing the next track, and then if you want to go to the next track again, then again D. So it's playing. So it's playing the next song. If you want the previous song again, you guys need to press A. It went to the previous song now. So this is for happy, and there are a number of songs you can explore through this command prompt. And next I'll show you guys for neutral. So you can close this and again run the monosonic file, which enters in the main function. And then if your expression is neutral, just like this. So let me just pause that there. So you can see here it's given looks like you're neutral. So here are the songs you can recommend for your mood. So yeah, song name, artist and album, and again the same things. So next, pause and again come back to the songs. So this is for neutral. And now I'll be showcasing for angry. And if you just press X, the software gets exited automatically. And then run it again for angry. So yeah, music player, same thing again. So yeah. I want. So you can see it detected that looks like you're angry. So here are the songs for your mood. So now yeah, song name again the same thing. You are know that I'm happy. So yeah. So yeah, these are the songs again the same thing. A, D, and all you can pause. And for exiting the software, just press X. And yeah, so I've seen it for the most of the emotions, and then this it's the same thing for sad. Just run the monosonic folder and just give a sad expression and the key plays the song. And so yeah, hope you liked it. And I would again like to thank all my teammates and my professor and my college for giving me this opportunity for doing this project. And any comments or any suggestions would like to be welcomed down in the comment section below. Uh, Thank you.